Are you wondering how to use AI to speed up your content creation process on YouTube? Because, guys, let's be honest, creating YouTube videos is no joke. It's a lot of work, a lot of hours. You have editing, thumbnails, optimizing the actual video when you're uploading it, being consistent, promoting it. There's a lot that goes into this stuff. And any of you guys who are watching this who create YouTube videos know what I'm talking about. So, in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you all these different processes that I use AI for to help speed up the process when creating YouTube videos. So if you're new to the channel, my name is Ryan. I appreciate you being here, and my goal is to help you navigate the overwhelming world of artificial intelligence. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment below, and now I'm going to show you how I speed up my YouTube creation process using AI. So the first way I use AI to help speed up my content creation process on YouTube is through Ideation. Now, I've created hundreds of different videos at this point, and yes, I've gotten some ideas from competitors in my niche, but I also rely on tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Google Gemini, Perplexity for ideation. Now, what exactly do I mean by this in real-world application? So I have a prompt, and I'll copy and paste this and leave all these prompts that I mentioned in the video description below. But if you open up ChatGPT or Claude, I would recommend either one of those, and you prompt it with something like the following. You are an expert in YouTube content creation and marketing. I need help coming up with video ideas for my YouTube channel focused on insert niche. So my niche in this example would be artificial intelligence and marketing, as those are kind of two of the big niches that I'm going after on my channel. Provide a bullet list of 10 ideas that an audience interested in this topic would find valuable and has the potential to get a lot of views. So I'm going to hit enter, and then it will come back with a response that looks like this. Top 5 AI tools for marketers. That's a great idea, and I've actually made a few videos just like that. How AI is changing digital advertising, trends and predictions, AI-powered content creation. I've made videos on that. AI versus human creativity. I've made videos on that. So all of these so far are really good ideas. AI for social media growth, A/B testing with AI, AI and SEO, chatbots, case studies. There's definitely some things I can take away here for future videos on my channel. But the idea is that this is a good starting point. Instead of just looking through YouTube, looking through other channels, or just trying to think of things off the top of your head and just recording, this is one way that I've definitely used AI to help speed up my process. Now, I would also recommend using Perplexity for something like this, where you can just copy and paste the same exact prompt that I did on ChatGPT. You can do this on the free plan. You don't need a paid plan of any of these tools to do this. And you're going to get probably some different answers from Perplexity versus Claude versus ChatGPT, AI-powered personalization, GPT-4 is a little outdated. Ad copy, chatbots, A/B testing. A lot of these are similar, but I would recommend leveraging like Perplexity and ChatGPT and just bouncing different ideas between those two platforms. But again, that is the very first way that I use AI to speed up my content creation process on YouTube. And this is what I would recommend for you to get started if you're new, is to leverage AI for ideation. Now, once you have ideas generated from AI, you can also run with this and help it generate a YouTube script. Now, being honest, guys, I don't script any of my YouTube videos. I'll actually use AI to help me with a hook and a title and a keyword and optimization and things of that nature. When it comes to actually recording this, this is raw, authentic. I don't like scripting things. I don't like scripting things in life in general. But regardless, what you can do here is, let's say I like this idea, top 5 AI tools for marketers in 2024. So I'm just going to copy and paste this. I'm actually going to include the parentheses, and I'm going to say, I like this video idea. Now help me generate a YouTube script and use concise bullet points, or however you want to format your YouTube script. If you want paragraphs and you like reading paragraphs doing YouTube videos, you can do that as well. I prefer bullet points if I were to have a script, but I don't. And I just, let's say, use concise bullet points, click enter. And then what this is going to do is it's going to help you generate a YouTube script based on that first idea that I got that AI helped me come up with in the first place. So here it's giving me a script, right? Introduction, 30 seconds. It even gives you a hook in this script, which I think is really useful. Tool 1, Jasper. It even gives you the ideas of what tools you should talk about. Tool 2, HubSpot's AI-powered CRM. And then it gives you an overview, key features, use case, call to action. So it's giving you all the different tools. I don't necessarily agree with what it's giving you in terms of the content of the tools. But you see the point here, right? You can use AI for ideation to start with, and then once you like an idea, you can then ask it to generate a YouTube script for whatever that idea is to help you create the video using a script. Now, I also use AI to help me with the hooks for my YouTube videos. And if you're unfamiliar with the term hook when it comes to YouTube videos, this is the very beginning of the video, usually some sort of catchy statement to try to convince you to watch to the very end, to drive engagement, to drive views. Every good video that you watch on YouTube always has an intriguing hook at the beginning. So what you can do is I actually have another prompt related to YouTube hooks that you can come in and use this on ChatGPT. So for this example, let's say I like this idea, top 5 AI tools for marketers in 2024. And that's an idea I decide to pursue to create a video on. Well, I can start a new chat and then I can give it my prompt for creating a catchy YouTube hook. You are an expert in YouTube content creation and marketing. I need help with a catchy hook for my YouTube video. The title is going to be, and I'm going to come back and insert that title, Top 5 AI Tools for Marketing. And I'm actually going to put parentheses around that so ChatGPT knows that that's the title I'm talking about. Make the hook concise and entice someone to stick around for the entire video. Sorry guys, I can't talk today for whatever reason. But anyways, I'm going to hit enter and it's going to help me come up with a hook. So here's the hook right here. Want to supercharge your marketing with AI? Stick around as I reveal the top 5 tools that will skyrocket your productivity, save you time, and help you crush your goals. Let's say you don't like that. You can say, come up with 3 more ideas. Then you can say that are more catchy. I don't know. I'm just thinking of something. And then it'll come up with 3 more ideas for your YouTube hooks. Ready to take your marketing to the next level? I like that as a YouTube hook, right? What if AI could handle your toughest marketing challenges? Another decent hook. Want to outsmart the competition with AI? I'm revealing the top 5 tools that are taking marketing strategies to a whole new level. Don't miss out, right? We see these types of hooks all the time, and you can definitely use AI to help you with these types of hooks. So another way I use AI to help speed up my content creation process on YouTube is through thumbnail generation. All of these thumbnails from my videos about 4 months ago, 5 months ago, etc., all of these right here were partially generated by DALL-E inside ChatGPT. Here's an example right here of what you could do, right? You could generate just a simple background without text, or you could even add text to this. Now, I don't still do this for my current thumbnails, as you'll see these look a lot differently. I actually outsource this to someone just to try to make my thumbnails look more professional versus trying to bootstrap all of it like I was going through using AI to generate all these thumbnails. But what you can do is I actually have a prompt for this as well. So my YouTube thumbnail prompt, I'm actually going to copy and paste this right here. And then come in to YouTube. I have it ready to go. So I have it right here. So create a visually striking image suitable for a YouTube thumbnail featuring the white center text. And this is where you would insert your text. And again, I'm going to copy and paste this prompt along with everything that I mentioned in the video description below. That way you guys can easily access this. So I'm just going to do top AI tools as my text. That symbolizes the topic. So here's where I would insert my topic. Artificial intelligence. The color scheme should be dominated by, I'm just going to do red in this example. Let's do red tones. And then you'll find the other placeholder that I need to do here. So digital elements, suggesting a theme of, I'm going to do artificial intelligence, as that is the topic. And then I also talk about how the design should be suitable for a blog post header with an aspect ratio of 16:9, dimensions of 1200 by 628. Just some best practices for YouTube thumbnails. I'm going to click enter, and then I'm going to fast forward after this output is complete. All right, here's what ChatGPT gave me for thumbnail generations. Now, again, this is not perfect. I'm actually surprised it spelled both of these outputs correctly. Sometimes it misspells things, but that's not bad. I mean, you could definitely crop over a face. You could crop over logos of tools and use that as a thumbnail and run with it. This is just a good starting point. You could use something like Ideogram, Leonardo AI. There's all sorts of other AI image generators out there, but that is something that I would recommend. Again, if you're newer to YouTube content creation and trying to speed up the process with AI, this is something that I would recommend, is leveraging a tool like ChatGPT to assist you in thumbnail generation. So another way I use AI to help speed up my content creation process on YouTube is the actual optimization of the YouTube video itself. Yes, you just got done recording a video, you got done editing a video, you generated the thumbnail for your video. All of those can take countless hours, but now you still have to optimize it so it shows up for various searches that you want it to. So in my latest video, this is just a quick example I'm using. The target keyword that I'm going after is AI news. I just made a simple AI news video, but I still want to show up for keywords related to AI news. And so here I have obviously a title. I want to make it as catchy as possible. I want to make a description that's optimized for whatever my target keyword is. Internally linked YouTube videos. I feel like that's a best practice. Talk about the references I mentioned, my social links, timestamps, generating tags. All of this stuff takes time as well, and it can be a very tedious task. So what I do to help speed this process up is I created a custom GPT called YouTube Video Optimizer. Is this perfect? No, but this has helped me speed up the process quite a bit. So I have a prompt ready to go where I say, optimize my YouTube video when I provide a target keyword. So going back to that previous example of the top 5 AI tools, my target keyword here would be top AI tools for marketing. Or I could just do AI tools for marketing. That'd probably be the target keyword. And then sometimes I like to throw in the title, right? So I do title, top 5 AI tools for marketing in 2024. I should probably clarify that this is the target keyword. And I'm going to hit enter. And what this is going to do is it's going to base everything off of my target keyword and title. And first of all, it's going to generate an optimized description, right? So I have it set this way where it's only 2 sentences. You can make this description as long as you want. My personal opinion, I'd rather have a shorter description. It also generates tags, right? So, and I have to set the parameters where it's a maximum of 500 characters. Because if you're doing YouTube video optimization, you do know that it can only be up to 500 characters for YouTube tags. It won't let you exceed that. So I have that parameter set where it has SEO optimized tags based on my keyword that doesn't exceed 500 characters in total length. I also have hashtags set up. Again, you can add as many hashtags as you want. I usually do 2 or 3. I've just found that that's worked better for me. So I have hashtags that are optimized based on the keyword that I gave it. So those 3 things, and I also can have it help me with my title. Let's say I have trouble thinking of a better, catchier title that will draw more clicks. So if I want to come back to my YouTube Optimizer custom GPT, I have a prompt here to help me generate a better title as well. Help me generate catchy titles for my video. And then I can say, it's going to ask me for what my target keyword is. I'll say target keyword, and then we'll do AI tools for marketing. And this is going to help me come up with catchier titles for my YouTube video. Top 5 AI tools for marketing success in 2024. That's actually similar to the one I came up with. Boost your marketing with these AI tools. AI tools every marketer needs. Revolutionize your marketing with AI tools. The best AI tools for marketing is marketing that you need right now, right? All of these catchy titles, basically AI helped me come up with these on a primary keyword when I was having writer's block. I couldn't think of a title. So that's just another use case. But long story short, guys, how I speed up my optimization process is with this custom GPT that I created to help me come up with descriptions, better titles, tags, hashtags, whatever you want to come up with that's going to help speed up these monotonous tasks. That is what I would recommend you use AI for, is a task exactly like this. So another way I use AI to help speed up my content creation process on YouTube is by repurposing long-form videos into short-form clips. Now, if you go to my channel and you click Shorts here, you'll notice that I have hundreds of these different YouTube Shorts videos. Now, all of these, they look very similar, right? All of these are short-form clips from my podcast called The Marketing Quacks, where I expose the quacks and gimmicks in the marketing industry. Trust me, there's a lot of them. If you're interested, I'll leave a link to that in the description below if you want to give it a listen. But that's not the point. The point here is I have 30, 35, 40-minute episodes, and then I leverage a tool like Opus Clip where it uses AI to repurpose those long-form episodes into short-form clips. And I have it auto-generated and auto-scheduled where I can post a video on YouTube Shorts every single day. Same with TikTok, same with Instagram Reels, same with Facebook or LinkedIn. You can actually auto-schedule these out on all of your social media accounts that you have integrated. And I've done this for, I believe I have like a month's worth of content scheduled already. But in one of my recent episodes, here's an example of what the platform looks like inside here. So my recent podcast episode, I had a guy on named Karai Tugberg, very well known in the SEO space, very knowledgeable guy as well. It was a fun episode. But anyways, it was about a 30-minute episode, and I uploaded that into Opus Clip. In a matter of about 15 minutes, it repurposed that long-form video into about 23 different AI-generated short clips. Now, it not only reformatted it to be mobile optimized, it added catchy subtitles. It also grades it. So right here, it's based on hook, flow, value, and trend. And it ranks the videos based on all these different factors here. And it also comes up with an AI-generated title and an AI-generated description based on the transcript of what I'm talking about. So again, very, very helpful and useful way that you can use AI is by repurposing long-form videos into short-form clips, which actually some of these, like, look, they have over 400 views, 200 views. These all add up. They've all contributed to me gaining some subscribers as they do reach different audiences than my traditional long-form videos. So again, another great way that you can leverage AI is by repurposing long-form videos into short-form video clips. Now, lastly, while this isn't YouTube related, I actually repurposed my YouTube videos into SEO optimized blog posts. If you go to AIinsidertips.com and click on my blog page, you'll notice that this looks very similar to what my YouTube channel looks like. Same thumbnails, same titles, content, etc. All I'm doing is I'm repurposing the videos, taking the transcript, and then using AI to generate an SEO optimized blog post. I actually have a custom GPT that does this. I have a prompt ready to go in Claude on one of my Claude projects that I use to do this. I have a full video. I'll leave a link to it in the video description below that explains this process in more detail. But that is another way that I wanted to explain of how you can leverage AI to just, I know it's not YouTube specific, but it's taking YouTube videos, creating it into written content where you can then have a better chance of ranking for it organically on Google and trying to draw in more traffic from different sources. So I figured that was just useful to mention in this video. So those are different ways that you can use AI to help speed up your content creation process on YouTube. Again, this is Ryan. I really hope this video helped you out in some way, shape, or form. If it did, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, subscribe to my channel. If there are other ways that you guys use AI to speed up your content creation process, I want to know about it in the comments below. But most importantly, I hope you all have a great day.